After you browse the course listings and find a course you want to add, click on the Add button to the right of the course title. Be sure to check the course requirements and course status before attempting to add a course. If there are no available seats, you will not be able to add the course. After you click on Add, the course will be pending on your schedule. Note that this has not been officially added to your schedule at this stage. For instance, I will add Cancer Biology to the schedule. Be sure to click the Add link in the correct column. This is what your screen should look like after you click on the Add button. Notice how the status of the course is shown in the grayed out box that says Pending. To officially add the course, click on the Submit button. You must click on the Submit button for the course to be added to your schedule. If you do not click on Submit, the course will not be added to your schedule.